Hi everybody, welcome to this episode of the Health Channel. Today I want to talk about a fruit that is for the warmer seasons of the year, but most people love it. Say with me to talk about plum. A plum is a fruit. Plums are likely to have been one of the first fruits domesticated by humans, with origins in Eastern Europe and China. They were brought to Britain from Asia, and their cultivation has been documented in Andalusia, southern Spain. Plums are a diverse group of species, with trees reaching a height of 5 to 6 meters when pruned. The fruit is a drupe, with a firm and juicy flesh. Plums can be eaten fresh, dried to make prunes, used in jams, or fermented into wine and distilled into brandy. Plum seeds contain the cyanide-like poison. In 2023, China produced 55% of the world total of plums. Japanese or Chinese plums dominate the fresh fruit market, while European plums are also common in some regions. An article on plum tree cultivation is Andalusia appears in Ibn al-Awar's 12th century agricultural workbook and agricultural. Plums are a diverse group of species. The commercially important plum trees are medium-sized, usually pruned 5 to 6 meters high. The tree is of medium hardiness without pruning. The trees can reach 12 meters in height and spread across 10 meters. They blossom in different months in different parts of the world. Fruits are usually of medium size, between 2 to 7 centimeters in diameter, globose to oval. The flesh is firm and juicy. The fruit's peel is smooth with a natural waxy surface that adheres to the flesh. The plum is a drupe, meaning its fleshy fruit surrounds a single hard fruit. Japanese of Chinese plums are large and juicy with a long shelf life and therefore dominate the fresh fruit market. They are usually clingstone and not suitable for making prunes. Raw plums are 87% water, 11% carbohydrates, 1% protein, and less than 1% fat. Raw plums supply 46 calories of food energy and are a moderate source only of vitamin C, with no other micronutrients in significant content. Here we have some benefits of plums. Number 1. The effect of plums on lowering blood sugar. Despite the high carbohydrates content of plums, there is no effect on increasing blood sugar after consuming the fruit. In fact, plums increase the hormone adiponectin, which regulates blood sugar levels. On the other hand, plum fiber causes the absorption of carbohydrates to decrease after a meal and blood sugar to increase gradually. It is interesting to know that one of the fruits mentioned for reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes is plums. However, excessive consumption will increase calories in your body. Number 2. Rich in vitamin K. Vitamin K is one of the properties of plums, the deficiency of which causes problems with blood clotting. For example, one of the reasons of severe bleeding is low levels of vitamin K in the body. Vitamin K is also an element that helps build stronger and denser bones in the body. In addition to the things I said, plums are useful for managing stress, relieving fatigue, and increasing red blood cells. With these explanations, one of the benefits of plums will be more cheerfulness and vitality for you. Excessive and uncontrolled consumption of plums is associated with side effects. It may cause an allergic reaction in the body. In some people who do not have any allergic reactions, it may also cause inflammation and itching of the throat and mouth. These symptoms are related to food allergies. Another disadvantage of plums is the possibility of interaction with some medications. Since excessive consumption of this fruit can severely reduce blood sugar, those who are going to have surgery, it is better not to consume this fruit. In general, doctors recommend that people avoid eating this fruit for at least 2 weeks before surgery. Plums, like many fruits such as tomatoes, oranges, lemons, and tangerines, have acidic properties. That is why its uncontrolled use can cause stomach upset. At the end of this video, thank you for being with me. For more information about other fruits and vegetables and some spices, follow other videos of this channel. If this information was useful for you, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Have a nice day, and our wish is your health.